Yo, so it has been like 20 minutes and not one single order has come into my phone. Completely silent. I guess I just had to complain about it because as soon as I stopped recording, they gave me an order. This is the Jack in the Box, $10 going 6 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Heading back to Jack in the Box for this one. This one is $7 going 4 miles. Got it?
I got it. Thank you.
All right, you have a good day. Thank you. Got the next order right away. This is IHOP, $10 going 4 miles. Yes.
You okay?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10 going 4 miles, 3 items. Heading back to Safeway for this one. This one is $14 going 4 miles, 10 items.
For items without next, touch the 6. Touch the item. Please touch second rotary to the back. 1. Leave the number. Thank you.
Got the next orders. We got 2 shop and delivers. This is $20 going 8 miles, 6 items.
Stop by our pharmacy to learn more.
Do you want to go self-checkout or check stage?
Yeah. Weird. Darn thing.
There you go.
There we go. Right. Okay. Like that.
No, none of them. Oh, okay.
I swear I spent more time at the register than actually shopping for everything. Hello. Next up is Hello Waffle Cart. This one is $8 going 5 miles.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $6 going about 1.5 miles. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's $9 going 2 miles.
Good morning, McDonald's. How may I help you? Thank you.
Thank you. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is a stacked Black Rock coffee, $12 going about 5.5 miles. So I am number 8 in line. Very busy right now, but hopefully the orders are at least ready for me once I get to the window, whenever that's gonna be.
I have one for Leah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You have a good day.
You too. Hello.
Thank you so much.
You have a good one.
Appreciate you too.
Okay, I'm not in the mood to get rained on today, so we are heading home. Current time is 10:03. Current total, we're at 101, and we're waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to 108, 109. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.